guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is so different and exciting. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use every single Olaplex product on my curly hair. I actually used every single Olaplex product today to prep my hair before my blowout, to use it before styling, after styling. So I'm going to show you guys how I use every single product. And guys, I have been using Olaplex for years now. I absolutely love Olaplex. They have amazing hair products that work super well on curly hair. I have about like 3B curls. By the way, I know I'm not going crazy. I got a curly haircut not too long ago and I swear my hair is uneven right now. This side is longer than this side. I'm pretty sure that one side of my hair is longer than the other one because one side is curlier than the other side. This side is curlier. So when she was cutting it, I guess that since it's a curly haircut and she wanted everything to look even, it makes sense, you know. If I leave my hair curly, it looks fine. It looks even because this side like gets more curly than this side. So it looks even, but when I straighten it, it looks completely uneven. So I think I'm gonna have to cut this side a little bit, and I don't know what to do. What do you guys think? Should I cut this side a little bit more, or should I just leave it like this and just kind of rock my natural curls a little bit more? What do you guys think? Anyways, let's get right into the video. So let's start with number 0. So the number 0 is actually a treatment that is super powerful. You can use it on its own or with the number 3. I like to use it with the number 3, which is this one. As you can see, I'm like almost all done with the number 3, and I have been using this mask for years now. I put a lot of heat on my hair, guys, and this one is probably like my favorite mask for repairing heat damage. So if my hair feels a little bit weak, not strong enough, and if I have some breakage, I love using this combo right here. So the way that I like to use these products is I start with the number 0. I apply this to my dry hair. I make sure that I apply enough product to make it pretty wet, more like damp, but I like to get it pretty wet. And then I'll apply the number 3 on top, and I'll just leave this on my hair for about 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. And make sure that you put a good amount of this because you need to put a good amount to activate the Olaplex bonding technology that this has. This can be used on its own if you want, but number 3 is like this product's best friend. They work so well together, and you might as well just use both of these to get a nicer, more deep treatment. So I like to do this about once a week, maybe even twice a week, and sometimes you can use these two together, maybe like once a week, and then if you want to do something a little bit more light, then use this one again that same week. You can use the number 3 twice a week. You can use these two together just once a week. But trust me, if you use these products over time, your hair will look so much healthier and your hair won't get as damaged if you do put heat on your hair. If you want to do an extra step, you can use the number 8 as a finishing mask. So with this one, you don't have to add too much product. You just apply maybe like 2-3 pumps. A little bit goes such a long way with this one as well. And I love the applicator. I'm almost like done with this one as well with the number 8, but I love that this is kind of like a pump. See, I'm like pretty much done with this. Every time I use the number 8, my hair feels extremely soft, and it's so easy to detangle my curls in the shower. I honestly feel like this is the best mask that Olaplex has for curly hair. This will make your curls look so hydrated and so healthy. It's insane. So you just put this on your hair, leave it on your hair for 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. What I also like about the number 8 is that it actually repairs your hair as well. So not only is it going to make your hair very moisturized and shiny, but it's also going to repair heat damage. I'm pretty sure all of these products are about 30 bucks, so I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out. But I think they're totally worth it. I like that with Olaplex products, a little bit goes such a long way. These products I've had for a couple of months now. I am running out of the shampoo, as you can see. The old number 6, I've used quite a lot of it as well. I've used some of the oil as well, but this oil, this little oil right here, will last you so long. Literally, like, you will use this for months, and a little bit goes such a long way with that as well. So yeah, the products are pretty small. It doesn't bring like a ton of product, but you only need the tiniest bit of product, and a little bit goes such a long way with Olaplex. So yeah, totally worth the money. So let's move on to shampoo and conditioner. The Olaplex number 4 is the shampoo, and then the number 5 is the conditioner. So I have 2 shampoos right here. They actually have another shampoo that I have not tried because I don't have blonde hair, but it is the 4P. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below if you have blonde hair. I have not tried it, but this new shampoo right here, guys, the 4C, this clarifying shampoo, oh my god, it's so good. Like if you have curly hair like me, whenever I curl my hair, I put so much product on my hair because I want my curls to be defined. I don't want frizz, so I put so much product on my hair, and I always have so much product built up in my scalp. So the 4C is really good for keeping your scalp nice and clean, keeping your hair nice and clean, and removing any of the product buildup that you might have. So yeah, this one is new and it's so nice. I actually took this with me to the Dominican Republic. I'm gonna put a video right here. This video was a collaboration with Olaplex, and they actually sent me this to try out. I tried this, guys, after being in the pool, in the beach, and I had so much sand on my scalp, and when I washed my hair felt so soft. I literally had nothing on my scalp. It felt amazing, and my hair felt so soft, so shiny. So yeah, this shampoo right here for curlies is amazing. So I always look for a clarifying shampoo because I literally need it. My scalp just always has so much product when I leave it natural. So this one right here, it's so good. I also like the original, the 4. This one's nice for pretty much any hair type. This one as well, but this one, as you can see, I've used so much of it. Oh my god, it looks so gross. I'm sorry, this was in my bathroom. But this one is nice, but I haven't used it ever since they came out with this one with the 4C. I like the 4C even better. It gives me a more deep clean. It makes my hair even more soft. It's just so good. It's so good. And then I'll just continue with the number 5. The number 5 is a nice conditioner that detangles my hair super well. I can't really tell most of the time if this is that good because I almost always use a mask, but it is very nice at detangling my hair. This actually smells so sweet. It smells so good. It really smells so good. What I like to do with this shampoo is that I like to concentrate it more on my scalp. I like to kind of massage my scalp and just let it sit there for about like 5 minutes or so, just to make sure that you get a very nice deep clean. This will get rid of all that product buildup. I promise you, this is so good. This is such a good clarifying shampoo. I love it. It's new and I'm obsessed with it already, and I use it a lot. I use it so much. So now let's move on to the number 6. So as you can see, this one's like all used. I still have some product in here, but this is the old packaging of the number 6. This is the new number 6 right here. It's kind of like the number 8. It's actually like the same bottle, as you can see. It also has a pump, and it's just way easier to use. I actually like this packaging a lot more than the old one. I like using this before my blowouts, just to kind of prep my hair before my blowouts. I actually like to apply this on my hair also when I'm going to leave it natural, because it controls frizz up to 72 hours. And sometimes, especially in the winter, this can make my hair look frizz free for up to like 3 days. It also adds moisture, and it also strengthens your hair, so your hair is going to feel a lot more strong over time when you use the number 6. I also feel like this makes my blow drying process a lot faster, like way faster. I did my hair today in like less than an hour, and to me that's super fast. So the number 6 is amazing for curly hair and to use before a blowout. It really does define my curls so well, and it makes them like so soft and smooth. Of course, I use like a gel or something else just to kind of define the curls even more, and just to keep them more in place, because my hair can get very curly and frizzy. But this is a nice first step to just leaving my hair natural. So yeah, number 6 is amazing. Put it on your hair, leave it on your hair. It's a leave-in treatment. You don't have to rinse it out or anything. So yeah, you can also use this after the number 8, after the number 3. You can use this after all those products and your hair won't feel heavy. Just use a little bit. A little bit goes such a long way. You don't have to add a ton of product with Olaplex. So after the number 6, I did use the new Olaplex number 9. This is a hair serum, and this literally feels like a skin serum. Like, it feels so light. I love it. It's amazing. This is also going to protect your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's why I like to use this as well right after the number 6, because this is going to protect your hair from the heat. It's going to protect your hair from a lot of other things. It's going to make your hair shiny. It's going to help detangle your hair a lot better. It protects your hair from pollution as well. You're supposed to add this to pretty wet hair, and I like to start from the ends and work my way up to the roots, because you will need this product more on your ends. Your ends tend to get more breakage than your roots, so definitely add more of this to the ends and kind of like the middle of your hair. You can also use this serum on like natural curls. I like to add it on my wet hair, like after I apply all the curling creams and everything, and then I dry my hair with my diffuser. So this is going to protect my hair from the heat from the diffuser, even though I put the diffuser on a very low heat setting. But it's always nice to protect your hair either way. So I like to put this as the last step, like right before I diffuse my hair. So last but not least, this little baby right here. This is the Olaplex number 7. And I have been using this little bottle for so long now. I have been using this for months, maybe even like a year now, and a little bit goes such a long way with this oil. I'm telling you. Like, I also like using this on natural curls, just kind of like to finish it off and give my hair some definition, my curls some shine. But this oil is so nice because this oil is very different to other oils in the market. What I like about Olaplex number 7 is that you can use this on wet hair. I know a lot of people always comment and tell me that you can't use oil before a blowout, you can't use oil on wet hair because it's gonna fry your hair. Not with this one, not with Olaplex number 7. This oil you can use before a blowout because this has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use this on damp hair, blow out your hair, and it's going to protect your hair from the heat. And you can use this after your blowout to kind of give your hair more shine, help bring down the flyaways. I'm going to add a little tiny bit. You see, I only use a little tiny bit. I already used some today, but I just want to add a little tiny bit at the top right here just to help bring down these flyaways. But yeah, this oil is so nice. It also smells so good. I take this with me everywhere. This is a nice small size that you can take with you on your carry-on. So it's a nice travel size, very convenient. I also like to use it between washes just to kind of make my blowouts last a little bit longer, because when I add this, it just kind of makes my hair look a lot more smooth and I'm able to kind of like manage it better. So definitely a must-have from Olaplex. This oil is so good. I honestly love most of the Olaplex products. I will tell you guys my favorite product right now. My favorite product from Olaplex is the number 8. This mask is so nice and moisturizing, and it helps repair your hair. So it's like it has everything that you need in a mask. So this one is definitely like my favorite product. I would say maybe my least favorite product would be the old shampoo, just because they came out with this new one, which is like 10 times better in my opinion. But this is still nice, but I do like the 4C a lot better. So yeah, let me know if you guys want another video like this. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. Please subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.